We got simple Quotex trading strategy with almost 95% winning rate. We can find easy spot trading by using the old method that is profitable before, by having zigzag indicator and the demarker. Watch my recent trades with its positive trading results. It's perfect for new traders who wants to trade with simple and effective to use strategy. This comes with 90 to 95% chance of winning. Practice it first before trading on a real account. We will now proceed with our trading method. We got good position here, with our zigzag stops at this spot, creating a reversing candle here, while our demarker is at its lowest support level. Let's wait for the line to cross the red supporting line. It crosses. Then let's trade it for higher. We have 1 minute purchase time here, and based on our observation, having 30 seconds to 1 minute expiry time resulted in best results. To get the parameter settings of these two indicators, see the description below. Got our trading result, with a winning trade. A good trading spot here going lower. We can see clearly that it will be going low soon. But it does not avail. Let's trade with another currency pair. We have this situation now, when it already creates a zigzag and a reversal candle here, but we don't have confirmation for our demarker. We will wait for our demarker to cross the red supporting line. It already crosses. It's time to trade higher. It literally goes higher. See the rest of the video and follow us for more trading strategy with Quotex and other trading broker. Make sure to practice on a demo account before trading on a real one.
you.